Hi everyone, I am so excited because I just got a package in the mail from Robin at Magical Resort Run in Orlando, Florida. And I got pins, not just pins, I got Wave A Hidden Mickey mystery pin packs. There are 2 pins in each of these packs. And if you follow my channel, you know I have gone down the pin trading rabbit hole, and I have been trying to collect all of the Wave A's. Wave B's are going to be coming out really soon, but I'm still working on my Wave A's. So here's my chart as far as what I still need. Any of these, when you purchase the Wave A pins, you might get any of these. So what we try and do is collect them all, and it's better when you can trade them off the boards in the parks. But I'm not in Kentucky right now. I'm actually in the back room of my business, so sorry for the lack of aesthetics here. But anyway, these are the pins that I have versus I still need. So on this series, I just need Ariel, and I need the Figment Chaser. A chaser is like a more hard to find, harder to get pin. I still need several of the headbands. I have collected all of the castles except for the Chaser castle, which is the Epcot castle. I did pull the Chaser on the D's for Disney, but I do still need Ursula and Tiana from that set. I need several of the Blue series. I need Bruno, Hades, Sadness, and the Genie. And then I did finish my collection of Donald Duck. So I've got several of them, but I am so excited. I thought it'd be fun if we could open these together on the vlog. These are my pins that I have. So in case you're wondering, like, what is she talking about? These are my Wave A's. There we go. So you can see the pins that I do have. So with that, this will be a short vlog, but I know for those of you that follow me and follow some of my friends, we always have a great time whenever we open pins. So I thought we would open them together. Okay, so this is the first pack, again, sent to me by my friend Robin, who owns magicalresortrun.com. She's a personal shopper. If you see something in the parks that you'd like to have, just contact Robin, and she can hopefully pick it up for you and ship it to you. So I will drop the link to her Facebook group in the description of this vlog. So, all right, here's our first pin. They do come pre-packaged. And I'm gonna cut, I've got scissors, I'm gonna cut it off. I feel like this one's not a castle. I feel like this is gonna be one of the D's or maybe one of the rounds. And my pin is, oh, it's the Mickey. So I already have this one, but this is gonna make an excellent trader when I do get back to the parks next week. All right, so their first pin was the Mickey. And then now I'm gonna open my next pin, which I'm hoping is a castle, because I really wanna pull that Epcot castle, but it's gonna be really hard. Oh, look what I got. I pulled Christmas Donald. Tanya from That Crazy Disney Lady, I heard you just say you pulled a Christmas Donald, or you needed a Christmas Donald, so I will trade you, girl. It's coming your way. All right, I have one more package. What are we gonna get? Okay, here's our next package. We got 2 more chances to see if I can pull something that I don't already have. All right, here's our first one. I have no idea what this one is. It kind of almost feels like a heart shape. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's Gaston from the D collection. I have this one, so we'll be trading him, which is just fine because these are like really good traders. We'll trade him hopefully for somebody. We'll meet somebody in the parks or go to like Epcot where they trade pins, and we can trade with people to get the ones we don't have. And then our last pin tonight is, oh, it's the Genie Chaser. I did not have this pin. I actually had pulled this pin before and I gave it to Tanya, and now I got him back. All right, so it's so much fun to trade pins. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is just a very short little vlog, but remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be opening more pin packs because it's so much fun. I will see you all at Walt Disney World. I actually will be back in the parks next Thursday. Thank you and have a great evening. Bye-bye.